Today we're going to show you how to increase a stitch using single crochet. So to start with, we're just going to do a normal single crochet into our next stitch. So insert your hook and yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through your remaining 2 loops. And now to increase a stitch, we're going to work into the same stitch we just did our last single crochet. So insert your hook into the same hole, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through. And so you can see here that we've increased a stitch up the top and we have 2 stitches worked into the same hole. So we'll do it again. We're just going to start with a regular single crochet and now we'll work into our next stitch. So do a normal single crochet, and now we're going to work into the same stitch. So insert your hook into that same hole, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through, and now you've increased 2 stitches.